Hello, my name is Danielle Nieto, and I will be talking to you about substance abuse on adolescents. So, what has already been done on substance abuse on adolescents? How has it been done before? Well, to answer that, substance abuse has been studied mostly on the Latinx community and the white when involving adolescents. It has been done by longitudinal studies targeting lower class communities. Children are incentivized with money to send in self-recordings of them answering survey questions. The strengths and limitations of prior research include the strengths are that the studies are focused on Latinx communities whose parents are more likely to work long, strenuous hours, which puts their relationship more at risk for not spending enough quality time with each other. The gaps in prior research are that there isn't much data on families of color besides that of the Latinx. My research question is, does parental involvement affect substance abuse on adolescents? And what I hypothesize is that the increase of parental involvement will decrease the likelihood of an adolescent partaking in substance-related activities. My study design is a longitudinal research study where adolescents age 8 to 21 would be the participants as well as their parents. I propose to first survey and then interview the children and their parents. The methods that will be used is I propose to answer my research question, how does parental involvement affect substance abuse on adolescents, by comparing parents and child dyads from the age 10 to 21 years of age. What I'll be collecting is data of the children's expressed closeness, the parent and child's expressed parental involvement, and self-reported substance use of the children. Parent and child dyads that rated high on parental involvement will be the control group, and parent-child dyads that rated low in parental involvement will be the comparison group. Variables. Independent variable is parental involvement and parents with substance abuse disease. The dependent variable is substance abuse itself. The variables will be measured on a scale from 1 being not true at all to 5 being very much true. The strengths and limits of the proposal. Strengths are that this study has diversity in the data from high and low class households as well as a range of ethnicities. The limits are that children might possibly be untruthful of their substance abuse. The next steps would be to create a new study design that would allow me to collect more accurate data. And that is the conclusion. Thank you.